So this is how to check for phonepe technical issue problem. So if you can't, get your updated balance on your phonepe app, this is what you have to do. So what you have to do is to just go to your phone menu, then scroll to find your settings. So when you find your settings app, just tap on it. After that, scroll and tap on apps and notifications. So when you tap on it, wait for it to load. After that, tap on see or apps. So after doing this, what you have to do is to search for phonepe app. So when you find it, what you have to do is to tap on it. After tapping on it, tap on permissions, which is very important. Then you tap on allow camera. Then after that, allow contact. Then you allow location. Then you also allow microphone. After that, tap on phone to allow phone. Then you tap on SMS to allow SMS. Then you also allow storage, which is very important. So after that, go back, you check the notifications. When it is off like this, just turn it on or toggle it on. After that, you go back to storage and cache. Then you tap on clear cache. Then you clear the storage. After that, go back. Then you tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then when you see that the background data is off like this, turn it on. You get me? Then after that, you go back. Then you tap on advanced to see how the app details is also moving around. So it will also send you to Play Store. When it sends you to Play Store, what you have to do is to tap on the update over here. So when you find updates like this, so when you see this, just tap on it. So when you see this, just tap on it to update your app. After that, then you tap on your power button for long and you're going to see restart. Then you tap on the restart to restart your device. Or if you don't find restart, you're going to see reboot. Then you tap on reboot to reboot your phone. Reboot and restart is the same thing. So if you don't find none of this, just off your phone, then you on it back. After that, you are free to use, and every technical issue or every technical problem that you're facing is going to be fixed. Thanks very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends on other social media platforms. See you in the next one. Peace.